The procedure to start the CS400 chainsaw and most other saws I've worked with will follow a very similar procedure. Turn it on. The switch is on the left side of the handle. After turning the switch to the on position, pump the little plastic bulb a few times and then pull out on the choke. Pull the start rope until you hear it almost start. Now, push the choke back in and pull the rope again. All the Echo chainsaws usually start on the first or second pull, mostly the first. That sounds like butter. But these are younger, softer branches, not hard to cut. Now I'll begin cutting down the stump, being mindful of where the end of the saw is. If the tip of the saw hits something, you can get some kickback. You don't want that. When done, step away from the tree and engage the chain brake. Then turn off the saw. The CS400 cut through this old hard stump pretty easily.